In this video, I'll show you how to create a discount code in Shopify. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. Next, click Discounts from the left sidebar. After that, click Create Discount to begin creating a new promotion. Now select Discount Code as the discount method. Next, enter the code you want customers to use at checkout, or click Generate to let Shopify create one automatically. After that, choose the discount type, such as a percentage off, a fixed amount off, free shipping, or a buy X get Y promotion. Now configure the discount value and choose which products, collections, or customer groups the discount will apply to. Next, set any minimum purchase requirements, usage limits, or customer eligibility rules if needed. After that, choose the start date and, if desired, set an expiration date for the discount code. Now review all the discount settings to make sure everything is correct. Finally, click Save to activate the discount code, then share it with your customers so they can use it during checkout. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a discount code in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.